आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So here we have a question. You can check that what we have to do using integration. We have to find out the area of the region bounded by the line. Line equation is given to you, x-axis, and the line is given to you. So we have to find out the area of the particular region, right? And we are using integration for that particular thing, right? So the very first thing, what is we have the equation of a line? We have 2y that is equals to minus x plus 8. Right, that's the equation of a line we have, right? So to find out the particular value, first we have to find out some points, right? We will make a graph for this particular line, right? So before that, what we will do, we will just use some points. So first we will put down the value of x as 0, right? So the value of x as 0. After putting the value of x as 0, what we will get, value of y is gonna be nothing but 4, right? So, and the second thing is, when we are going to put down the value of y is equals to 0, right, the value of x is going to be 8, right? So for putting down two points, like we have 2 points, 2 coordinates over here, the first coordinate and the second coordinate, we will place this on the coordinate plane, right? So here we will make y axis, and this is gonna be x-axis, right? Now we will put down some points. So here we have the y-axis, so it will be 4 and 0. So somewhere here it will be 4 and 0. So sorry, 0 and 4, right? And here we will have, somewhere here we will have 8 and 0 on x-axis, right? Okay, now we will make a line for that particular thing. Okay, here we go. Right, here we go. So we can just make a point over here, like that's 0 and 4 here, right? I will just erase this. Let me just okay. So this will be the area right now, but we have x is equals to 2 and x is equals to 4. So somewhere here you have 2 and somewhere here you have 4. So what you will do, you just make a line over here, x is equals to 2. So here we will have x is equals to 2. Let me just draw it. So somewhere here, along with this 2, we will have a line, and along with this 4, you will have a line, right? Now what we have to do, simply here we have to find out the area of the shaded portion. Let me just shade this one. You have to find out the area of the shaded portion, right? So what we will do for finding out that, we will just subtract upper minus lower, right? We will subtract upper minus lower. For what? So here we have, first we have to find out the value of y from here, right? First we have to find out the value of y from here. So what we will write down here, the value of y is gonna be, minus x over 2 plus 4, right? So this will be the value of y. Right, now we will do the integration from lower to upper, right? So here we go. So integration, let me just write it down. So here we will do integration of this particular to find out the area. So here we will go. That's gonna be 2 to 4, right? Lowercase to uppercase, right? That's gonna be minus x over 2 plus 4 brackets, right? And at the last we have minus 0, right? So I will write down minus 0 times dx. We will do the integration of this particular thing and we will get the area of that bounded region, right? So here we go. So from here what we will write, that is equals to, we will do the integration. So this will be 2, 4, and this will be minus x over 2 plus 4. We can write it as minus x by 2 plus 4 dx. Now we will do the integration of this particular thing. So what we will write it down from here, after integration what we will have, integration of that particular thing, minus x is gonna be minus x square, and times 2 times 2, that's gonna be 4, and plus 4 times dx, it becomes 4x. Now we have limits, so I will put down the limits as well. So that's going to be 2 and 4, right? Now I'm going to put down the limits, upper limits minus lower limits, right? So after putting down upper limits minus lower limit, what we are left with, here we go. So here we have upper limit means minus 4 whole squared over 4 plus 16 plus 4 over 4 minus 8. So this is upper limit minus lower limit, right? Now what we will do, we will just put down all of the values. Now we will cut it down, right? So here we go. That is equals to what? 4 times 4, that's 16 over 4. That's going to be minus 4. So I will write down minus 4 over here, right? Plus 16 plus 16 plus 4 times 4. 4 times 1, that's going to be 4. I will write down 1 over here, minus 8. Now you can check that minus 8 minus 4, that's going to be minus 12. And 16 plus 16 plus 1, that's 17. So this will be minus 8 minus 4, that's going to be minus 12. 16 plus 1, 17, that's going to be 15. So this will be the particular area, 15 square units. Okay.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।